Here's an unboxing, assembly, and review of my new Karpevta bed heavy-duty steel trapeze bar. I got this because I tore my bicep and might be getting surgery and wanted to start preparing to make the recovery process a little easier. It's not too bad to put together and takes maybe 15 to 20 minutes to connect and screw everything together. The top bar where the handle attaches to can be adjusted a good amount, and where you put the handle attachment also has some adjustment options. This is pretty heavy duty without taking up too much space, and I was able to position it on the side of my bed between my dresser. The handle hangs at a nice length, and I'm glad that I have it.